So the materials that we need for to make a bagpipe are all plastic bag, gloves, rubber bands, black rubber hose, adapter, 4 PVC pipe, about 6 inch of 1/2 PVC pipe, 1/2 shark bite PEX pipe, and then PVC union.
So here I am cutting and also connecting the PVC pipes together with the PVC connectors. Therefore, I can optimize the most amount of airflow throughout the instrument. At first, I kind of drop it, but I mean, everything's good. Make sure you have to get the right. Make sure you get the right measurements so everything fits well. Also, here we are cutting the hose. Kind of took a while, but a hacksaw should do the job just fine. The hose is there for like a mouthpiece for the instrument.
So here we're putting plastic bags over the PVC connectors to create some resonance, get that forced vibration, so the sound sounds all nice and clean. Here we got Deep putting the rubber band down there to make it all tight. Good job, Deep. Here we're cutting the PEX pipe, and we're attaching it to the bagpipes, making sure you have tape to make it all nice and tight. We need it nice and tight to get that sound in. Here we're drilling the holes with a haw, and later we're gonna make them bigger.
So right here we are attaching the glove to the PVC union. Earlier we had troubles with our glove because it was too thick of a glove, so we got a thinner glove which would make a better and clearer sound. So right here we are attaching the glove to our model, and at this point our model is basically complete. So right here we're trying to tune the blue pipes we're making the diameters the correct size and just making sure all extra plastic is out of the way.
Now we will record a full scale of our instrument. Enjoy. This is the end of the tutorial on how to create the latex gloves bagpipes. I hope you enjoy, and I hope that this video really helped you in creating the latex gloves bagpipes. Thank you.